This refined family home is the result of extensive design development and careful construction coordination. Designed by Neon Architecture, the brief was to create a long-term residence reflecting the client's interest in industrial character and classical architecture. The design blends traditional Georgian proportions with modern detailing to create a balanced, cohesive exterior. Catherine Willman Interiors brought meticulously considered textiles, colours and stone surfaces synonymous with the best of British craftsmanship. Rather than being treated as a functional addition, the garage was designed as an integrated architectural element. It features a full-height, curved side-sliding solid oak door by Rundum Meir, spanning an 8-metre opening. The fully automated faceted door follows the internal walls and operates on a discrete track system sliding along the internal plan of the garage. The track detailing keeps the mechanism largely unobtrusive while preserving usable floor and ceiling space. When opened, the door wraps neatly along the internal wall. At dusk, garage lighting spills out across the rendered walls, highlighting the movement of the door as it slides aside. Neon Architecture's Rob Butcher describes it as creating an almost theatrical experience. Rundum Meir merges precision engineering, bespoke design and sustainable materials to create garage doors that are both durable and beautiful. For enquiries about this project or to discuss your own door solutions, visit rundumgaragedoors.co.uk.